Alright, bitches. I wasn't gonna film this, but why the fuck not? This is that little extra bit of flat shit there. What the fuck's going on here now? There? Jesus fucking Christ. There we go. This is for later. Maybe tomorrow or something, but all I did, it was just salt and pepper. Oh, got some juice here. And all I did was pour just a tiny splash of beer in here. Smells fucking awesome. I tell you that right fucking now. Let me get a knife. Hold on a second. I'm stunned. Cheers, big ears. I didn't bring my knife. Give me a second. Boom, got my knife. There you go. Fuck. That's fucking beautiful. Hot as fuck. Yeah. Salt and pepper and a bit of beer. That's all. Looks like that. That's fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. That is fucking great. That was about 2.5 hours. Alright. Oh man. Nice. There we go. I'll wrap that back up for now. And let it hang out. Fuck yeah. Alright, that's just a short update, bitches. That was fucking good. Oh yeah. Cheers, big ears. Woo.